Hello friends, Maddie here. So I have modeled this character from Stumber Guys earlier. So now I'm going to rig it in Blender. I have modeled this character in Maya. I can also rig it in Maya, but I'm going to rig it in Blender. There is a one automatic rig option in Blender. So for that we have to go to Edit, Preferences, and type here Rigify, and then you have to click on this add-on. Just tick mark this add-on. And now what you have to do is first go in this y-axis and just keep our character here like this. And now press Shift A, go to amateur. Here's our human rig, animal rigs, bird rig, cat rig, horse rig, or rig available. This is a human rig. I'm going to create basic human rig. So click on this basic human rig like this. So this rig is created. See here. This rig is created here. So now what you have to do is we have to scale it little bit with our character. Just align our character here and then select this rig, go here data, and in viewport display click here in front tick mark here in front. And now we have something like this rig. So go in edit mode, select the rig, select this rig, go in edit mode, and then click here in x-axis, symmetry x-axis. So now we have to do is click and drag on this joint like this, and then we have to move it like this. Here also click and drag, move it like this. Here also click and drag, move it like this. Here also click and drag here, move it like this. Here also click and drag, move it like this. Here also click and drag, move it like this. Here also click and drag, move it here. 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 So we have something like this. Here also click and drag, move it here. Here also click and drag again, move it here. Here also click and drag if you want, move it here. Here also click and drag, move it here. So we have aligned our rig here. So now what you have to do is check from all angles. Now what you have to do is click here, generate rig. Click here, generate rig. Okay. Now what you have to do is go in object mode and then here edit, apply, and apply scale. So where is scale? Scale is all one. Now again I am going to create rig. Okay. So now the rig is created. Now I'm going to hide the skeleton. So, so our rig is created now. So click on this rig, click on this character, and then Control P, press Control P and select rig, select character. First click rig, select character, press Control P. Uh, Shift first select character, then he Control P and click on with automatic weights. First we have to click on character, then rig, and then you have to click on automatic weights here like this. It will take some time. So now it is created. So go in pose mode, and then we can move our rig with our character. See, we can pose our character. We can pose our character like this if you want. If you want, we can pose like this. If you want, you can move if you want, you can move the toes like this. If you want, you can also rotate our head like this. So I will quickly do one animation. For that, I will take only 40 frames, and then I'm going to click on this first. I'm going to click first. I'm going to keyframe here one, and then little bit move here, and then I'm going to keep it like this and move it little bit forward, and then press, and then again I'm going to click here and then move it little bit like this. Press here, 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 again I'm going to press here. Okay, I'm going to delete these keys. In 11 I'm going to move it little bit here like this, move a little bit here, and then I'm going to press I, and then here I'm going to press here, and here I'm going to press here, and here again I'm going to press here. So this is a quick animation. See, if you want, you can also keyframe here. So see, this is our animation. So if you have more time, you can do lots of things by this rig. So this is a very simple animation. So this is a quick video on how to animate a character and how to rig a character in Blender. Blender is also a powerful tool. I'm just learning Blender. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more modeling videos like this, and also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. So friends, so this is a new animation. This animation I have done quickly. This is not perfect, but just having fun. So see this, just having fun. This is perfect animation. If you have more time, you can do lots of cool things with this rig. So that's it, friend. I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more videos like this. So some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel. We'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.